Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. This tutorial I'm just going to show you snapshots, particularly how to add them and restore them, as well as use them as a layer. Now, just got this image here, and I'm just going to quickly add a moon to the scene. Just a quick shape layer, and just add that. You can move it around, but once I decide that moon there, I'm just going to add it as a snapshot, so I can actually store that information, the picture and the moon. I could have text, I could have other filters as well, blurs, etc. So add snapshot, that's document and add snapshot. Now it comes up with a little dialogue here, and you can obviously, it's got the date and the time. You can overwrite that if you want. I'm just going to go with that. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to quickly move it somewhere else. The moon, very basic moon. Now it doesn't particularly reflect it obviously in the movement. This is not a 3D app. So next thing to do is add snapshot. Okay, and I've added that, and I'm just going to remove that now. So I've got this image there. So I want, after I've done quite a lot of work, and I might come down, I think I want to restore the original image, that original one with the moon, the first one, or the second one, whatever. You can look through this list and you can move the position, you can go through there, but you can also just quickly go to restore snapshot, and just going to go with that one there. And there, you've got the moon back in that position, or maybe restore that one and just go back down to there. Right, so that's a quick, easy way of restoring a scene, and it's still a vector at that point. Now, just going to remove that. Now, one thing actually before I stop there, I'm just going to say you can actually go now, obviously, file, and you can save as, and it will actually add and save those snapshots. So all these sort of snapshots can be restored when you come back into this image. It's not saved when you actually close things, not that, like that, doesn't work like that way. But obviously if you bring back the original document, open it, and then you go to snapshots, you will see the snapshots still there. Okay, just going to remove that. And there is another feature for snapshots, and that's a layer. And a layer from snapshot. And the same list is available. And I'm going to select that one. And then straight away it brings back. Now, in this case, that isn't a shape layer that you can actually move around. So it's stuck there. You can't move the moon at that point. Now, of course, it's a pixel layer. So what you can do, you can just quickly go over here, darken, dark color. You can just go through hard light. So that's it. You can just go through those, change the thing, and you can, of course, apply effects to that layer as well. That's another thing you can do. Or maybe adjustments, and so on and so on. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much. I hope you could come over and check out the Graphicxtras.com website. Got lots of new tutorials for things like Affinity Photo on that site. Bye.